Hello and welcome. Let me just refresh this. Right, just a second. Need to do one more small thing. Where's the link? Right. And once this is authenticated, I think everything should be running perfect. Cool. So welcome to the stream. And my greet robot is going crazy. Okay. It will calm down over time. Right. I really need to tune that. That's very silly. Okay. Anyway. So today I kind of wanted to do more of a relaxing stream, kind of something fun, something that I don't do usually, and there is this game that I have been looking at for a while now. It's called Screeps. And if you don't know what that means, that stands for Scripting Creeps. Well, it's basically an MMO for software developers. It's JavaScript based, but you can technically write in anything as long as you compile into WebAssembly. So pretty much you can code in anything you want. I will probably end up using TypeScript at the end, but the goal for today is to kind of go through the tutorials and kind of learn how the thing works. There are upcoming seasons, so until now the game is basically, just persistent world where people, just have their AIs that battle each other. But there's seasonal content coming, which basically you just, play within the season, and at the end of the season you have, your score wherever you place. And this starts on 1st December this year. So I really want to participate in that. And that's why today I will be going through the tutorials. So let's just straight up jump into that. Sure, let's just go with the basic tutorial. Okay, so this will help us learn the basics of the game. We don't really need how to code in JavaScript. I mean, I don't particularly know how to code in JavaScript. I have so far only coded in TypeScript, but I think I will manage somehow. Okay, we can always get to the tutorial with the question mark. Perfect. This is called the room. Rooms are connected to each other with exits. I guess these are the exits, the arrows on the side. This is our colony center. Okay, there's the document. Okay, I need to do this slightly differently. Let me bring up. Okay. Right, so by the way, the TypeScript part, there's this TypeScript starter template. So I don't know if we will get to that today, but the idea is eventually that I would switch to TypeScript and basically, create a repo based on this template and then go from there. So okay, the game world consists of interconnected room. Each room is 50 by 50 cells. It may have from 1 to 4 exits into other rooms. Okay. There are shards in the world. So it's 3-dimensional. Okay. Interesting. Each room landscape is unique. So simple ground, there's a movement cost of 2. Swamps increase the movement cost to 10. Wall blocks the movement. Roads, so we can build roads. We can construct walls. Okay, so natural walls cannot be destroyed, but constructed walls can be. Okay, and you... Huh. Ramparts. Okay, so a constructed wall, I guess, is just a wall. The only difference is that it's constructed and can be destroyed. Ramparts, I guess, is like what I would call a wall, as in it's a thing that only you can move beyond until it's destroyed. I guess through like constructed walls you cannot move through because they're just walls. Except they can be attacked and destroyed. Okay. So we can choose to place our colony. I guess right now in the tutorial this is not happening. In safe mode to create good defenses on employed destroy colony. Okay, so I guess the first thing you want to do once you set up a colony is to just make it safe, because when it kind of unlocks from the safe mode, then people can attack. Sure. Okay, I'm getting the feeling that I'm getting it a bit ahead of the tutorial, so let's just switch back to the tutorial. You play by writing code, click on the console. You can enter your code in this field, it will run, so I guess this is just like a plain JavaScript console, sure. Okay. Okay. Control Shift J. You can now open and close the bottom panel by pressing Alt Enter. Okay. Control Shift J. Control Shift J. Okay, I don't know what that is. So the spawn creates new units called creeps. We have a method spawn creep for that. Okay. Okay, let's just... Oh, this is so annoying. It keeps opening the... Oh, this is just like a basic link to the documentation. Sure. So there's creeps on the next page. Sure. Okay, so let's recommend energy. You may know free spawns in a room. Hence, by building free spawns in a room, you actually conquer it. Okay. Okay. Good to know. So let's look at the creeps. You construct the body of a creep out of 7 available body parts. The rest of them being the sequence of up to 50 parts. Body part types, right. So we have like 7 body part types, and each creep can have up to 50 parts. Okay. Workers, huge construction machines. Okay. Interesting. And I guess it's visualized. Okay, so the gray is move. Right, then the surrounding is like a shield. Blue range attack, work, energy. Okay. Okay, so here there. So there's work, there's move, there's carry, there's attack, range attack, heal, claim. Okay, this one I haven't seen mentioned yet, what claim actually is. Okay, interesting. So each body part has its own physical weight. Ah, okay. So points the creep moves 1 point per body part on roads, 2 on plain land, 10 on swamp. Each move body part decreases fatigue points by 2 per tick. So if I'm understanding this correctly, if I put like body parts worth of, I don't know, 10 on the creep, then I need 5 move body parts to move, I guess, once per tick on a road and once per 2 ticks on a plain land. That would kind of be my interpretation of this. Make the maximum. Creep needs to have as many. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is. Wait. To maintain the maximum movement speed of 1 square per tick, the creep needs to have as many move parts as all the other parts of its body combined. Right, because that's on a plain land, and on a plain land it's 2 per body part. So then, since move provides 2 per body part, 2 per tick, then yes, okay, makes sense. Samples, so we can have carry, work, move. We'll move 1 square per tick if it does not bear energy, and 1 square per 2 ticks if loaded. Hey, thank you for the follow. And welcome to the stream. No, not really any questions yet. So far, just like very slowly going through the tutorial. I guess maybe isn't super clear. It's for nothing that okay, it's here, right? Okay, so this I was a little bit confused by the carry thing, but it says here that if carry is empty, then it doesn't generate fatigue, so it's basically free, right? So then if I have work and move, we'll move 1 square per tick, sure, makes sense. And 1 square per 2 ticks if there's also carry, because then it's 1:2 ratio, sure, makes sense. Damage 100 hits per each part. Interesting. So these are so it's like specific body parts get damaged. Interesting. Oh yeah, sorry, I think I disabled links because I was getting spammed. Can I do something about that? Probably not right now. Cool, thanks for the private message. Oh, this looks very cool. Holy crap, this looks very complicated. Okay. Count, boost. Oh, boost, I don't know what even boost is yet. Okay, we will see. But yes, thank you. So let's go back to the tutorial. Where are you? Here. Okay. Came spawn 1. Yeah, because it's called spawn 1, I think. Create worker creep and the name harvester. Okay, sure. Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. Stuff is happening. Okay, we have the creep. You can see all the characteristics of your creep by utilizing the view action. Okay, sure. Hide the editor panel. Okay. And select your creep. Okay, I didn't really get that part of the tutorial. I think I skipped a step. Okay, so we basically see the state of the creep, sure. This is an energy source. Okay, so if we have work, we can harvest energy, and carry, we can carry energy. Okay, sure. Okay. Each game tick. Okay, so this will keep just running. This is my like main loop thing, sure. To commit a script to game. Oh, control enter, we basically submit, sure, okay. On each branch, you can view code from these branches for further use in your scripts. Okay. Is there... Okay. Right, there's like an API reference. Okay, let's just copy this over here. And actually, let's just bookmark this one. Right. Okay. Oh, this is actually the same, still the same documentation, sure. Global objects, yeah, okay. We will get to that eventually. So, we want to send the creep to harvest energy. Documentation section below. Commands will be passed each game tick. Sure, the harvest method requires that the energy source is adjacent to the creep. Okay. Right, so these are just dictionaries. We can basically always index it by the name of the object, sure. Find sources as an argument to room find method. Okay. So we get the creep. We find all the sources. Okay, if basically... Right, if creep.harvest on the first source fails, then we get a failure, otherwise we move to sure. Kind of makes sense. Okay, these are... Yeah, these are just links to the API. Okay, sure. I guess... is there anything... Okay, let's look at the... room. Find. Find all objects of the specified type in the room. Results are cached automatically for a specified room and type before applying any custom filters. Until the end of the tick. Sure. Find exit top, exit right, exit bottom, exit left, find exit, find creeps. Wait a second, why is this? Oh, because... Right, I need to make it slightly more, so it's more readable. And now I lost it. What the heck? Find. Where did it go? Okay, let's go again. Room. Create find. Ah, here it is. Okay. Okay. So find creeps, my creeps, hostile creeps. Sources active. Only sources that have energy. Okay. So I guess actually we should be searching for this one to be completely correct. Because we don't want just any source, we actually want a source that has energy. Structures, my structures, hostile structures, flags, spawns, hostile spawns, construction sites, minerals, nukes. What the heck? There are nukes? Okay. Okay, so as I said, it was sources active, right? So let's go back to the game. Okay, let's grab this. Find sources active. Okay, and it's running. Cool. So yeah, it's moving towards the source. Bubbling yellow spot inside the creep means that it started collecting energy from the source. Sure. To make the creep transfer energy back to the spawn. Right, because so far we are just mining. We don't really do anything else. Right. You need to use the method creep transfer. However, remember that it should be done when the creep is next to the spawn. So the creep needs to walk back. Right. Adding check. Store. Get free capacity. Right. Okay, let's just copy this. Oops. Find sources active. Okay. Let's submit the code. Okay. So yeah, as long as as it has capacity, it will keep trying to find a place to mine, and then it will try to move to there and mine. Ah, damn it. This is too fast. And then in the else, which is if it doesn't have space anymore, right, it will try to transfer the energy, and if it fails because it's not next to the spawn, it will try to move to the spawn. Okay, cool. Harvester until it dies. Remember that almost any creep has a life cycle of 1500 game ticks. Then it ages and dies. Let's create another worker creep to help the first one. It will cost another 200 energy units. So we need to wait. The spawn creep method will return an error code, not enough energy, until then. Okay. To execute once, just type it in the console. Okay, so this wants us to put it into the console. I mean, I don't really see a reason to do that, but sure. So we have, what's the energy we have? We have 200 energy, so I guess we can do it. Okay, so we have the second spawn is building. Okay, sure. So we have the second spawn, second creep. The second creep is ready. It won't move until we include it in the program. Yes, so we just want to loop over the creeps. Okay, makes sense. So we want to loop over all the creeps. We get the... So it loops over the name, so we just get the creep by name. Okay. Makes sense. So far. Let's go back to the script. Let's just... okay. Let's not delete everything, but yeah, I think this is just... yeah. This is a straight up replacement. So let me just go through the code a bit before I submit it and get to the next step. So yes, we loop over all the creeps, then get the specific creep by name, and this code is pretty much unmodified. It's just ordering each of the creeps to do something this thick. Cool, so yeah, let's submit this code. And yeah, now both of them are mining. Let's improve our code by taking the worker's behavior into a separate module. Create a module named role harvester with the help of modules section on the left of the script editor, and define a run function inside of the module exports object. Okay. So this wants us to create a role harvester with a run. Yeah, I feel this will be different in TypeScript. Okay. But sure, we can do it like this. This is okay. So let's create harvester. Oh, I guess whatever. It can be called harvester. That's fine. Oh, but maybe the tutorial will not. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Is that what the tutorial says? Create a module called role.harvester. It should be role.harvester. Okay. Is there like a way to rename a thing? Doesn't look like it. Role.harvester, sure. Let's just copy it so it's correct. Okay. So let's submit this. Okay. I can rewrite the main code, leaving only the loop, and we can call this. Sure, makes sense. Right. Okay. So yeah, let's just make sure I didn't miss anything, but I think this is very straightforward. Yeah, I do expect that this part will be different in the TypeScript. Actually, let's have a look. So if I go to here, is there... rollup environment. Type definition, typescripts. Okay. Is there like main TS? Name in-game creeps. Okay, interesting. Utils. Huh. Cool. There is simpler setup, getting started. Huh. Yeah, I'm a bit worried that the transition from what I'm looking at right now to the TypeScript will be a bit rough, but I guess TypeScript. sure. Okay, that's not really. Deploy destinations module bundling. Okay. Okay, so I mean I will play with this later, but yes, this is definitely something I want to use, except it's a no, I'm not 100% sure. What the heck? Spend some work documentation generated through Git books. Authenticating. Right, sure. Yeah, this will need a bit of exploration on how exactly that works, but let's just continue with the tutorial so far. Okay, room controller. So if we control the room controller, we can build facilities in the room. Okay, the higher the level, the more structures. Sure. Okay, that works. Let's just create a new upgrader. We have the two creeps over here that are harvesting. Went to the platform, but we don't want it. We need differentiate creeper rolls. Okay, sure. Memory property. Right. So yeah, so harvester is harvester, and the upgrader is upgrader. Makes sense. Oops. Now, yeah, since we now have this information, we can just change the behavior that works. Let's define the behavior. Both creeps should harvest energy, but the creeper with the roll harvester should bring it to the spawn, while the creep with the roll upgrader should go to the controller. Yes, okay, yeah, it wants us to create a new module. Sure, that works. I can do that. So roll dot upgrader, and then I expect over here we will basically do if I guess that's the next step. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Yeah, now we basically do this, yeah, as expected. We check if the memory, like what role is in the memory, and then based on that we use the specific logic from the specific module. Okay. I think I have a typo somewhere. Because the harvester just got stuck. Hello! Welcome to the stream and thank you for the follow. Oh, because spawn is full of energy. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, so we have upgraded the controller. it loses one level. Okay, I'm not 100% sure I understand this exactly. So does it mean that it like decays one level every 20,000 ticks? Like the prefix of this sentence is a bit weird. If you don't upgrade your controller within 20,000... yes, if you don't up... So if you upgrade it, it doesn't decay at all. It's not like every 20,000 ticks it goes one level down. Or is it that? Because there's a difference between it going down one level every 20,000 ticks and it going down every 20,000 ticks a level if you don't upgrade it. Every successful upgrade... Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, that was it? Okay, sure. Building structures, okay. So, walls, ramparts, and extensions. Don't know what extensions are yet. Let's now talk about extensions. Okay, so cool. Don't know what extensions are. That's exactly what this tutorial is explaining. Great. It's required to build larger creeps. A creep with only one body part of one type works poorly. Giving several works will make him work proportionally faster. Okay, so our spawn can only contain 300 energy units. And, okay, obviously then we cannot build for more than 300 energy units. Okay, makes sense. And if we want more, we need extensions. Okay. Second control rover has 5 extensions available for you to build. Okay. So basically the higher the control level, the more... the better creeps we can build. Okay. If you build the extensions. RD corresponding... Oh, so these are construction sites. Okay. So if I understand this, normally they actually need to be placed manually, but they were placed for me. Okay, sure. Let's create a creep whose purpose is to build structures. This process will be similar to the previous tutorial sections, but this time let's set the memory for the new creep right in the method spawn creep by passing in the third argument. Oh, right, cool. So we want work, carry, move. I think that's the same as the previous ones. The previous ones were also work, carry, move, right? I think they were. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, they were also work, carry, move. Okay. So, building construction, see, create construction site. Okay. So we have a new builder. Right, it will not move now because we... What the heck? What's with this weird changing? Oh, because it's not changing, it's just... Yeah, right. It was just jumping around at the exact same spot, okay. That was a bit confusing. Let's move this row into separate... Yes, okay, makes sense. We want to do creeper.build. And we need to find the construction sites. Yes, makes sense. And right, it will just go and harvest the energy and then find a construction site to build. Okay, sure. Too often, but make it deploy the cargo. Let's complicate our energy by creating a memory building, which will tell the creep when to switch tasks. Visualize path style. Visual Script intentions. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I will just copy this. So this is the builder, right? Okay, so role.builder. Okay, let's see. What is it doing? So if the creep is building and it still has energy, no, it does. Sorry, it doesn't have energy. If the energy is 0, okay, then it will stop building and it will say harvest. Okay, sure. If it's not building and it still has capacity, sorry, no. I keep reading this the other way around for some reason. Okay. If it's not building and its get free capacity 0, as in it's full of energy, okay, then it will start building. Okay, makes sense. If it's building, it will go to the nearest construction site. It will find the construction site. If it's not in range, it will move to range. Okay, makes sense. And I guess these are always in the same order, so there won't be like weird situations where the find would return, like keep picking the creep between like 2 construction sites or something. And if it's not building, then it tries to harvest. Okay, that does make sense. So let's submit this, and then over here, sure, we need to increase. We need to change our main. Makes sense. So yeah, if this is still the same logic. If it's harvester, then harvest. If it's a builder, then build. Okay. Okay, so now it's highlighting the path. That's neat. I like it. And I guess it will, once it's basically done with the single task, it will go and announce, hey, I'm done. I wonder, is it possible to like extract the energy out of the spawn? Because to me it would make more sense to kind of have specialized scripts to just keep filling the spawn and then have everything else to just take it from there. Okay, so it did say that it's building, and now it's going to this one. It's interesting that it doesn't really go to the closest one. Hello, and welcome to the stream, and thanks for the follow. Ah, content. Okay, cool. Makes great sense. Thanks. Okay, let's just increase the tick speed. Build tab. Where's my build tab? Construct this thing? Ah, okay. Yeah, it's called construct, not build, but thanks. But yes, like this has the stuff. Thanks. So this up to 2000 decays over time and requires repair. Oh, okay, perfect. Cool. Your extensions have been built. Now let's learn to work with them. Okay. To carry energy not just to spawn, but also to extensions. Oh, we also need to fill the extensions with energy. Okay. We can use the game.structures. Then, right, we can find them through the find structures. Okay, sure. Oh, so game.structures and room.find structures is the same thing, I guess. Okay, sure. In both cases, you will need to filter the list. Structure is extension. Okay, sure. Alternatively, structure instance of structure extension. Okay. And also check them for energy load as before. Okay. So let's just go into the harvester, replace this, and let's just have a read through this code. So if we have capacity, we will find a source. If the source is not in range, and yes, like this should be find active sources active, not just sources, because technically this would return also empty sources. Creep harvest, yes, okay. Then if we are full, we find structure that are either extensions or the spawn, and the structure is basically isn't full, right? Okay. So this will have all the structures that need energy. If there are any of those, then we just pick the first one. If it's not in range, we just move to it. Right. Okay. Now this is fairly straightforward. To know the total amount of energy in the room, you can use the property energy available. To track it during the filling of extensions. Right, so in our main loop, okay, cool. So over here, we just log it every, okay. Uh, 450. Oh, I totally misunderstood this. So this is how much energy I have in the room, not how much energy these things have. Okay, cool. It's not the sources, it's how much is currently harvested and stored, I guess. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, and I guess this will fill the last one. In spawns and extensions. Oh, so it doesn't count containers. Okay, let's build something big. Okay, it can be used for spawn. Ah, okay. Sure, makes sense. Thanks. So we have found 50. This is enough to build a creep with the body. So it's 4 work, 1 carry, 2 move. For 4 times faster than a regular working creep, his body is heavier, so we ended to add a move to it. Yeah, I was about to say that this doesn't really... This is not even like dividing correctly, right? Like if it's... How will this work? So if it's empty, it will basically move every 2 ticks. But if it's full, it's like 5 to 4, right? So it will move, I don't know how much. That's interesting. And because it is a harvester, I guess it will immediately go harvesting. Yeah. Harvest 8 energy units per tick. Okay. Ultimate manufacturing of new creeps. Okay. Let's spawn some creeps automatically. But is that so? Is the one move each 2 ticks even if it's carrying something, because I thought if it's carrying something that's 1 extra like cost on top of that. So it's basically like cost of 5 and I'm providing 4 like movement value. So I actually it's cost of, yeah. Yeah, I know. So I'm asking about when it's not empty, because then it's a weird division, right? It's 10. No, it's free work. Did I misread that? Okay, maybe I misread what it was. Free work parts and only 2 moves. Okay. Yeah, I think I will need to go through the math on the costs at some point again. But I guess that's why this thing exists. Where is it? Ah, okay. So it's literally like 3 ticks. There's no like carry over. Basically, if it's like it gets, what is it called? Rounded up, I guess, right? Right. Okay, cool. Thanks for the help. So you will have to create new creeps when old ones die from age or some other reason. Since there are no events in the game to report death of a particular creep, the easiest way is to just count the number of required creeps. If it becomes less than a defined value, to start spawning. Okay, sure. Count the number of creeps. One of them is game.creeps with the help of filter function. And using the role of in their memory. Okay. So we filter the creeps based on this lambda. Okay, sure, makes sense. And then yeah, right, then we know how many harvesters we have. Okay. Let's say we want to have at least 2 harvesters at any time. The easiest way to achieve this is to run spawn creep each time we discover that we have less than... Okay, makes sense. You may also add some new room visual call in order to visualize what creep is being spawned. Oh, interesting. What is this? Let's go to the browser. To show various visual debug info in game rooms, you can use room visual object to draw simple shapes that are visible only to you. Ah, okay. All drawing will persist, 1 tick will disappear if not updated. Okay, okay. Oops. So, let's just copy this. So what we do is if we have less than 2 harvesters, we name the harvester with the game time. Sure, okay. We log that we are spawning a new harvester. We do the spawn. If game spawns spawning, So this is the drawing part, right? So spawning creep, spawning name. Oh, we get the creep by the spawning.name. Okay, sure. And room visual text, spawning creep memory role, spawns. Okay, yeah, that's just visual stuff. Okay, makes sense. And otherwise, this stuff didn't change. Okay. Now let's try to simulate a situation when our harvester dies. Okay. Spawn started. Spawning harvester. Okay. That was very fast. Memory of dead creeps is not erased but kept for later use. If you create creeps with random names each time, it may lead to memory overflow, so you should clear it in the beginning of each tick. Okay. Memory.creeps. Because these are two different objects. So there's a memory.creeps and there's game.creeps, right? So if we go from memory.creeps, check if it's in game.creeps, and if it's not, then we just get it out of the memory. Okay, sure. I get it. Apart from creating new creeps after the death of all ones, there's also another way to maintain the needed number of creeps. The method renew creep. Creep aging is disabled and the tutorial, so we recommend that you familiarize yourself with it on your own. Okay, so what is this? Increase the remaining time to live of the targeted creep. The target should be at the adjacent square. So this is on a... Wait, this is... Which object? Structure, right, okay, here, structure spawn, sure. Cool, thanks. The spawn should not be busy with the spawning process. Right, okay, obviously. Its execution increases the creep's timer by the amount of ticks according to this formula, 600 divided by body size. Right, okay. Energy required for each execution, creep cost divided by 2.5 divided by body size. Right. So it's like, it's basically, if I look at it like normalized to body size, it's basically the cost divided by 2.5 for each unit of the body size. Okay, sure. And then it takes this many ticks. Okay. Remove all its boosts. Okay, don't know what boosts are, but it's fine. Control level is not sufficient. Huh, okay, interesting. So, let's go back to the tutorial. Next section, sure. Defending your room, okay. Other players may have claims on your territory. Besides, your room may be raided by neutral NPC creeps occasionally. Okay. Right. Okay, so it's... Okay. So this thing, I guess, is attacking. Yeah, I think it's attacking the walls. Okay, sure. So the surest way to fend off an attack is using the room. Yeah. I kind of noticed that. I was like, okay, the numbers are not really changing. Oh, millions. Okay, sure. To fend off an attack is using a safe mode. In safe mode, no other creeps will be able to use any harmful methods in the room. Okay. As you can see, the enemy creep stopped attacking the wall. Its harmful methods are blocked. Okay. The use energy can be targeted at any creep in a room to attack or heal it. Distance between the tower and target. Okay. Let's lay a foundation for a new tower. You can set any place you wish inside the walls and place the construction site there with the help of button construct on the upper panel. Okay, so I guess this will just place the new construction site. Okay, sure. Oops. Sometimes the focus is off. I don't know why. And because we have a builder, it will immediately go and build it. Okay, sure. Makes sense. Okay. Let's make it a bit faster. Okay. Cool. Let's set the harvester roll to bring energy to the tower along with other structures. To do this, you need to add the constant structure tower to the filter of structures for your harvester is aimed at. Right. Yeah, because we already do the extensions, spawn, tower. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So harvester. Did anything else change? I don't think it did. Yeah, so this one is already going to fill it, sure. Like a creep, a tower has several methods: attack, heal, and repair. Need to use attack on the closest enemy creep upon its discovery. Remember that distance is vital. The effect can be several times stronger with the same energy cost. Okay. Let's have a look at this thing. Power creeper structure in the room. Oh, but it doesn't really talk about. It doesn't really talk about like what's the formula for the effect. Okay, I guess we will get to that at some point. Try open structure tower. Open structure tower. I don't know if I follow. Oh, this thing, right? Remote attacks hills. Okay. Thanks, Alt. This is okay. So if you have control level, okay, so we actually need a control level 3 to at least be able to build 1 tower. And I guess the maximum is 6 towers. Hits. Each activation consumes energy. Energy per action is 10. Attack fitness. 600 hits at range. Oh, so hits is like hit points. Okay, sure. 600 hits at range less than 5 to 150 hits at range more than 20. Okay, sure. It doesn't exactly explain the formula, I guess, but this is good enough for me for now. Okay. So, okay, we're just putting this into our main. Oh, that's fine. So what are we doing? We get the object by ID. So, right, so the ID is here. Okay, cool. If tower closest hostile. Okay. Yeah, I mean, for now it's fine. I don't really need the exact formula as well. It's just looking for some basic data. But yes, makes sense that I can look in the source code. Okay. So if we have the tower, we target the closest hostile creep, and if we have a closest hostile creep, then we just attack. Sure. Okay, makes sense. Yes, okay, so we are just adding repair as well. Makes sense. So yeah, find structures. Structure, yeah, okay. Now I guess okay, this code, I have to say, looks a bit weird to me because, like, first of all, I would think that attacking is a high priority. And I expect that the tower can only do one thing on a tick, right? Let's see. Remotely here, snipers. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So I kind of so what would actually happen if there is both a damaged thing? Only the last one will be oh, so okay, so the priority actually here works because if there's both, it will try to repair and then it will override the repair with an attack. Okay. It's that okay, that's a bit of an implicit knowledge that's kind of hard to get, but sure. Yeah, okay. This will be higher priority if both conditions are true, since the later overrides the former. Is that what I'm trying to say? I guess. Okay. Cool. So it's heating. Okay. All intents methods that change game state cost additional 0.2 CPU. Okay. Yeah. I have no idea how these like CPU costs work yet, so that I will need to get to that. But yes, okay. It's good that I actually need to be efficient with my code. Cool. So we went through the basic stuff. Perimeters. Okay. So what does this mean? I mean, I guess I would just do always replace without asking, but I don't quite get why it's even asking. Whatever. Okay. Anyway, don't have anything important yet, so who cares? Training. Try your scripts in a simulated room with a predefined layout. Okay. Modified landscape. I mean, the question is if I want to jump on the server directly or keep training. I guess the next step would make sense to just try to do the TypeScript stuff. Okay, so let's try to figure out how that works. So where's the this thing? So I want to use this template, sure. Probably not all branches. Sure, create from template. Okay. Now, I guess I should just clone this. So where's my terminal? Here. Oops. Okay. Okay, there's some stuff that needs updating, I guess, but that's, I mean, this is not something that runs in production, so who cares? Where's my Visual Studio? Here. I want go through here. New window, I think. Open folder. Screeps, yep. Okay. Oops. What? Okay. So, right. I have this thing open now. So, okay, so this is my main. It has the memory collection thingy. Now, okay. So, open the folder and declaration. Sure. Okay, let's do the yarn thing. Oh, I don't have yarn. Sure. Okay. Don't know what's happening there. Roll up. Move or copy the Screeps.sample. Right. Okay. Now. Okay. Oops. Where's the readme. Changing credentials options, adding remains on destinations. We'll compile your code and do a dry run, but not actually pushing it. Compile your code and upload it. Okay. Okay. I don't care about the private server, but now the question is, how do I actually configure this? Because I actually don't know. I mean, if I just do this thing, password not set, tokens not set. Okay, sure. So I guess I need to go through this. Okay, so let me just move it to the side. And set this up, I guess. So rename this file to screeps.json. My token, okay. So I also need to move this to the side, sorry. Right. Okay. So where the heck? Right. Okay, so the password is set. Okay. Protocol. Damn it. Okay, I think that's it, possibly. Okay, we'll see. So then the roll up. Okay, let's bring this back. Oh, what the heck? It kicked me out. Interesting. So persistent world. Okay. Okay, there's a bunch of people around. Okay. Is there like some place that's relatively empty? Probably not. Green sectors are novice areas. Okay. Okay, 3 days left, 11 days left, 19 days left. Okay. So what exactly does that mean? That is a novice area? Ah, they're surrounded by walls. Okay, sure. Okay, so let's pick... Okay. Sure. I just picked something randomly-ish. Oh, did I pick the wrong thing then? Can I jump out of this? Because this one, I think, has only one, no? Also has a pretty big distance. World. Okay. There is... I guess then this looks reasonable, right? There's like 2 of them. The one negative I see, this looks pretty open. It has like 2 exits at the bottom, 2 exits at the left, 2 exits at the right. Oh, swamps, right. I guess that's the like dark green stuff. I mean, I'm kind of tempted by this thing. But let's... Hey, welcome back. Okay, one thing I don't get is... What is this, the orange thing? Oh, this is already someone else, right? Oops, no, I don't want to do that. Okay. This one doesn't look bad to me. But let's... Yeah, always clean your computer. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think I will pick this one. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oops. So this is the source. What is the L? Mineral Lemergium. Huh. Okay, so this is the room controller. What is this? Oh, it's a dead creep? Dead something. Structure spawn. Ah, okay. So I think like, yeah, this I kind of like this area. Like it's pretty constrained, and I mean there's this stupid swamp here. Oh, can you build on over swamps? Like, can you build a road on top of a swamp? Is that possible? Welcome, welcome, and thanks for the follow. Okay, cool. And so if I build a road on top of a swamp, okay. Well, okay. So give me some pointers. So what I should be looking for? Like, what's a good room? Like, give me some description of what makes a room good. Ah, okay. Yeah, sorry, I had issues with spam bots, so I kind of switched it to follower only chat. That last room, depending on your neighbors. Okay. Now the question is if I can still find it, because I just moved it out. Oh, it was this one. I mean, the thing is, the one reason why I kind of like it is there isn't really much around. Like, there isn't a lot of competition. More spots around sources, the less travel between sources and control, the better, and fewer swamps. Okay. So, Rosecoon is basically, this is like an MMO for software developers. You basically code your AI creeps to kind of what you want them to do, and yeah. Yeah, okay, I mean, anyway, okay, so like I know that the seasonal stuff is coming, and the big idea behind me starting now is kind of to learn the game before the seasonal stuff comes, and I, you know, so then it will anyway, I guess, reset. So cool. Okay, I think I will just pick this, and I can then easily expand to the south. There isn't like anyone around, I don't think, I hope. So, and I can also pretty easily expand to the east. Yeah, sure. Let's just do that. I mean, technically, if I put... Yeah, okay, yeah. I like this one, kind of. So, let's just move around a bit. So, we want... I guess I want to place it somewhere in this area, right? Maybe actually if I put it into this alcove over here, like it's not too far away from the source. And so force is probably near bottom source, which is good. Also account for distance somewhere near bottom source and the controller. Okay, so like next to the mineral, basically? Something like that? E27S1. Wait. Okay, first of all, let's... Oh, crap. Let's not do this completely again. What room was it? It was like... 30... Yeah, it was something here. Right, yes, this one. Okay, let's just... where's the... Can I like easily copy this text so I yeah, okay. Let's just do this. So E38 S45. So this is the first candidate. So you said E27 S1. Okay. E27 S1. This one. Oh, so this is like surrounded by a wall. Oops. Hello. Oh, what the heck? Why is my greeter bot not greeting? Did it break? Did it break for YouTube? Thank you for the follow. Okay, I mean... What is O? Oxygen, okay. Okay, so yes, maybe this is... Okay, yeah. This is a... Yes, this is a much better room, for sure. Thank you. Like, there's no like walking around things to kind of get to everything. Okay, so I guess I should just plop it down somewhere right here, right? Yeah, okay. So I guess one down right is also good. Okay, let's not spend like you know, an hour finding the correct place. Pure start. Yes, I have read the tutorial. Okay. Okay, so this is the controller. We want to create a creep. Okay, so now okay, let's try to now figure out the entire TypeScript situation. So I have this thing over here. So I guess I guess I will not have... Okay, let's go to the README again. So this says rollup. Okay, let's see what happens if I just do this. Where's the terminal? New terminal. Oh, I don't have rollup. Sure. Okay. Ah. Oh, wait. Can I do this? Yep. What? Do I need to do this? Yes, okay. Okay, did this do branch default main? Okay, so this is on the main branch, right? Current game tick is okay, so it's logging the game ticks. Okay, cool. Okay, this will take a bit for me to kind of wrap my head around this. Yes, it is working indeed. So we want to get at the oh geez, I have already forgotten everything from the tutorial. Where is my window? This window, right? Introduction, right? Creeps, yeah, those some creeps. Control, no, starting areas. Damn it, scripting basics. Right. Game.spawns, right, okay. Yeah, I mean, over here on the branch tutorial, I still have the tutorial code anyway, which is fine. Okay, I will do that. Game dot what was it? Game dot spawns dot source of all even now. Now I guess it should be actually like this, right? Probably. Because this thing is, yeah, okay, it works both ways because JavaScript, yes. Yeah, this keeps wrecking my brain. Like, my main language is C++, and I've been trying to learn JavaScript for a while now, and it's an amazingly weird language. Right. So we do have these things, right? So I kind of want the logic of spawning new harvesters if I don't have. Yeah, pretty much, yes. I kind of want the logic, if you don't have enough harvesters, just make more harvesters. So this was okay, let's just get this thing scripting basics. Yeah, exactly, need more pylons. Oh god, this brings some memories, indeed. Okay, this can go away now. Okay. So you said that Screeps tutorial code GitHub. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's just kind of remind myself what the heck was happening here. Right, I guess. So these are right. Okay. I just want to export a run function out of a module. Is that correct? It should be correct, right? So I create a new file. Okay, actually, new folder. Logic. harvester. So export function run. Now it gets the creep as a parameter, sure. So creep, and then I guess just this. Oops. So if creep, is this working? Creep store get free capacity is higher than 0, then const sources creep room find sources active, not in range, wrap this game spawns. Okay, so I guess I want globals.ts export const core spawn is source of all and then over here let's just import this thing star as globals from I hope there's not like a globals thing. Oh no, you lured me in. Oh my god. Okay, import globals from globals, then here I want globals to correspond. And actually okay, cool. I mean, again, like, you know, since the seasonal stuff starts in like, what is it, like October, November, I guess in a month and a couple of days, then I mean, I don't care that much if I just get trashed, you know, it's fine. Game. Okay, so these are just global. Okay, weirds me a little bit out that this is just available without any imports. That's kind of weird, but okay, sure. So we have the harvester logic, right? So then over here, yeah. Oh, so the seasonal stuff will be like a separate world. Oh, that's very cool. Yeah, I mean that's so I have been like looking at this game for a bit now. Like I have been eyeing it because it looks very cool, but like I never really dipped in. And when I saw that there's seasonal stuff, I was just like, okay, let's go for it. Const name in game dot creeps bar creeps name creep memory roll harvester. Then we want, oh, we need to import this thing over here. So import as harvester logic from, oh come on, cannot spell, logic slash harvester. Oops. And this is also misspelled. Harvester. Ah, I just call it harvester. Okay. So harvester.run, harvester.run. Oh, not upgrader. Okay, sure. So this will run the stuff, and I still need the logic to actually generate creeps if I don't have it. So yeah, like my memory goes at least that far, as in I remember I did that at some point. I just don't remember how. Right, this thing. Harvester filters. Less than. Okay, I guess. Spawning. Sure. Okay. Let's make a new file for that. Respawn TS. Respawn, and I want. So wait. So this one is looking at the game creeps. So this is a global respawn. Okay, sure. But I guess. Yeah, I will see how exactly that works for me. I might just drop it. So I kind of feel like this should structure spawn. Okay, yeah, sure. Let's just parameterize it by spawn. Although, like, this doesn't make total sense, because so the game creeps. This is a global thing, right? Does this like go across multiple rooms, or is it? Yeah, okay. So can I do room? Oh wait, can creeps move across rooms? Probably yes, right? Okay. Okay, so I guess I still want this parameterized by the spawn, because this will be like my core spawn that just like generates stuff. Okay, let's just edit this code. Spawning creeps, spawn room visual text, spawning creep, blah blah blah. This is all cool. Harvester game creeps, harvester length, game.time, new name, spawn creep, new name. Okay. I guess I want it to parameterize also by the thing. Okay, let me just catch up with the chat. Let's find because it tile to get put it into the neighboring room. Oh, okay. Okay, very cool. So I guess what I actually want is raw string and minimum number, and then somewhere over here I will have like a map of what the role actually means. Okay, so if the role is role, so if it's this, then role. Okay, slightly differently found. This many, which is not harvesters now. What do I call it? Raw creep dot length, yeah. Raw creep dot length, creeps with roll. Okay, cool. So then if is less than the minimum, then we give it a new name, which will be creep, then the roll, and yeah, let's do like an underscore game time, sure. And let's change this to proper quotation marks, right? Oh, cool. Okay, let me just, oops, Attanner YouTube. Attanner Gaming. Is that the guy? Yes. Okay, cool. I will have a look. Thanks. Yeah, I know that. I just kind of want to keep it consistent. So I basically use backticks and proper like double quotation marks just from, you know, being used to that. Spawning new creep with roll named new name. Const. Okay. So now, okay. What is this actually complaining about? This is interesting. Memory of the new creep is missing the following properties: creep memory, room. Interesting. Okay, let's revisit that in a second. But what I need, how do I do dictionary in TypeScript? Right. Okay, so I mean this body part's constant. Okay. What I want is to have dictionary overall to the body parts. Yeah. Wait a second. Key string returns D. Right. So this will, oops, what the heck? So this will be role string like this, maybe. Key string t. Body parts constant is complaining about that. What was it called? Body part constant. Okay, body part constant. Okay. So const. So this thing will be roles is of type role addict, and this will be this thing. So harvester will be work carry move. Yeah, and normal comma. Okay, cool, that should work. So then over here I will do roles, roles role, just roles of the tank. Amazing. And let's figure out what the heck is this thing complaining about. So memory of the new creep type role string is missing the following properties from creep memory room. Type creep memory. So the role is fine, but the memory is missing stuff. Right. Yeah. Go to definition. What the heck? Just an empty interface over here? That's a bit... Okay. Room and working boolean. Okay. Oops. So... Wait. Why is it room? What exactly does the room in memory do? I guess I need to look up the API. Room. No room. What the heck was it? Creep memory? Oh, really? Where the heck is it here? Structure. The link to the ROM object may be undefined in case an object is a flag or construction site, but it's not visible to you. Right. Okay. Okay, so then I guess we need to take it as a parameter over here. So room string. So room is room. And don't do room. Okay, I think you can take the room. Oh. Okay, I think my modding settings are, I don't know, I'm adding some things that I shouldn't. So wait, you can take a room name from spawn. So I should do spawn.room. Is that what you were saying, or I think this is, and this is not the string. Damn it! This keeps. Can you just send me the thing in private chat, because my automod keeps just replacing your messages. Which is super annoying. Sorry about that. Spawn.room. Because it looks like a URL. Okay. That's why. God damn it. Okay. I will need to change that somehow. That's amazing. Yeah, okay. And I think the last thing that it was complaining about, that it doesn't have the last thing, which was, oh damn it, where I was looking at it. Oh, I was doing that through here, right? Working. So what the heck is working? Working true? I don't know. For tutorial creeps. Okay. Okay, so let's just go through this code now. So we have a respawn. Oh, okay, whatever. So we have the spawn, we have the roll, the minimum number for the roll. So we filter the creeps by the roll. If we don't have enough creeps of that roll, we create a new name, spawn the creep, and then if there is something spawning, game creep spawning. Okay, I think this will work. So then over here, what I can do is respawn. Yes. Import respawn from respawn. So respawn takes it's true, the creep will go harvest. If not, go another engine. Structure, basically memory structure is up to you to define. Okay. So the spawn, which is evil, then the role will be harvester, and the minimum, let's say 2 of them. So now if I roll this up and go to the game, where the heck is it? Here. Yes, it's building stuff. Right, okay, so spawning. Okay, I think I have a slight bug in there, because it keeps trying like to spawn a creep every tick. And yeah, I definitely don't like the fact that it's not picking the closest source. That's very annoying. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Okay. Yeah, it works, definitely. And spawning new creep. Right, I think this just needs a bit more checks. So the respawn. So not just if the roll is beneath the minimum, but also and not spawn.spawning. And I guess I should also check if I actually have enough energy for that. Which would be a lot of code, so let's not do that for now. Is there... so this returns the Screeps return code, right. I can kind of invert it. So one thing I can do, I can basically call this, and then based on that I can kind of just report the thing. And I guess actually realistically what I actually want... Okay, let's just get rid of this nonsense. But essentially this should just be here. So if I code respawn and the structure is busy, let's just not do anything, because why the heck would we even try to like filter stuff and whatnot. And yeah, let's just flip these. So, oops, no. This goes here. And switch on this. And case so again, what does this return? So okay, yeah, okay. So if we get okay, then print this, and I guess default nothing. So at least this will not spam the console so much, and then I can kind of extend this a bit later. Okay, let's do that. Oh, I have 2 guys now. Cool. Okay, so we have harvesters. I want to upgrade this thing, right? So that was the upgrader thing. Wait, what? Can you find closest by path? Yeah, there's something weird happening with the second one. Yeah. Ah, right, okay. I mean, it's... I guess it's reasonably okay, they will kind of rotate. Yeah, sure. Yeah, okay. I guess what I could create the logic for would be... No, but look, like it's moving towards the source. It just gets stuck at the end. Like I would basically need something... Yeah, the logic would have to be different. It would basically have to be... Hey, try to... Like, find a source that you can actually move to. And that way, basically, if this one is occupied, the second one would go here, I guess. Find closest by path. Okay, sure. So is that... what the heck is it? Logic. Harvester. Move to spawn. Right, so... const... source creep.room.find find path? No. Oops. Where's the find closest by path thing actually? Oh, closest by range. Oh, it's from position. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So from the position object. Sure. So. Creep.post.find closest by path. And okay, so this will be find source is active. Right, okay. So if source, oops, right, this piece of code, creep.harvest source, okay, let's push this up to the server, and we will see what that does. I definitely appreciate the help, guys. Like it's great. Oh yeah, and sorry if guys is not appropriate. Let me know whatever is appropriate. Yeah, so now both of them are harvesting. Very good. Okay, we'll see if the second one then gets maybe stuck here, but I hope not. It shouldn't. Cool, we definitely need some upgraders now. So let's go back to the tutorial code. Oops, what just happened? Okay. We had the upgraders. So what they were doing... Yeah, memory upgrading. Yeah, definitely. It does help if you already know how to code. Definitely. I already have like all the correct models in my head. It's just like, how the heck do I do this specific thing? It's not just like, what does even coding mean? Okay. Right, so this is this is kind of using the memory upgrading through. Okay, so I guess in the yeah, so this is a thing I will need to do in, so it works with yeah, so it works with TypeScript. I will actually need to be modifying these types over time, but because the creeper memory is defined by me. Yeah, I can definitely call it working, but it finally clicked in my head like what's happening. I will actually need to modify the type definitions so it actually matches up. Cool. No, this is cool. This makes sense. So okay, I guess let's just grab this. It will be a new thing in here, so this will be the upgrader. And let's borrow this thing from the from the harvester. And sure, let's call it working for now. That's fine. Okay. Do I want to... Yeah, okay. So this thing will be this thing. And sure, let's just visualize the paths on everything for now. And actually, let's just do new file common.ts. Export function, harvest logic, creep, creep. Okay, that should be fine. So then let's just call the import star as common from common dot harvest logic creep. And the same thing over here. I need to still import it, so import star as common from common. Oops. Common dot harvest logic creep. Yeah, like the moment I have something twice, I need to do that. Otherwise, like I keep feeling weird. I probably don't want working. Okay, yeah, I do need the flex, but do I want to do the says? I don't know. Okay, whatever. We will see. Upgrade. What is this complaining about? So upgrade control creep room controller. Oh, because this can be undefined. Right. So I guess I just need if creep.room.controller. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is This is good. So then we have the harvester, then we have the... Sure. Can I have a string switch in JavaScript? I don't remember. TypeScript string switch. Switch case TypeScript. You can. Okay, so it should. Okay, so it should work. Okay, cool. So here, what I want to do is switch. You can use access by key in the object instead of switch. Yes. Yeah. That I will do that definitely at some point. And I mean, honestly, these shouldn't be functions. All of the creeps should just be objects, and I should just be calling the run on them and not like have this weird indirection. So switch. I actually wonder, can I? Is it possible to extend the creep objects with my stuff? Switch creep memory role. Oops. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I might revisit. Like for now, this is fine because I don't have that many like different pieces of logic. But at some point, grader. Oh, come on. Okay, need to import. Okay. Creep, break. Oh, sure. Okay, upgrader is not a word. Okay, I can live with that. Okay, good to know. I mean, again, like for now, this is totally fine, and I can make it a bit easier on myself by doing the dictionary essentially, right? But yeah, this is not a big deal. So let's do respawn. Oh, I need to define an upgrader in my respawn, right? So an upgrader. And actually an upgrade was the same as a harvester, right? Where are we? It's not even here, damn it, right? Yeah. Okay, so then respawn evo upgrader, and I guess just one of them. Okay, let's see. Yep, we are building an upgrader. Yeah, I mean, so that's an alternative. I could basically make a wrapper for myself, and that would also work. So the upgrader is going towards this one. Can it fit still? Okay, it can. Cool. Wait, what the heck is building now? Wait. Why is it building one more upgrader? Did I put the 2 there? Am I just being... No? Okay, I think I have a bug somewhere. What the heck? View memory. Option. Oh, crap. Yeah. Well, that's fun. Wait a second, how the heck did that happen? Respawn. Roll. Throw. Ah, okay. Should be roll. Yeah, okay, bugs. Nice. Okay. Let's do the roll up. So I will just have a bunch of harvesters. But I think once this gets... actually, one thing I wonder is... so now this should really build a upgrader. But I would kind of be interested in seeing... like the version of the code somehow, somewhere. Because I mean, this is the okay, wait a second. So vive memory. Memory. Wait. Why do I only have... Ah, okay. It just wasn't reloaded. Okay, now it has roll upgrader. Okay, cool. Okay, I think I will just kill some of these. So this guy is the broken upgrader. So yes, let's kill this guy. That's a harvester. Tombstone, sure. I will leave the other one to... It's building another upgrader. What the heck? I still have a bug somewhere. Okay. No, but I thought I already have one. Oh, I did? Oh, damn it. It's amazing. Okay, sure. So this one has a raw harvester. This one has a raw upgrader. Okay. Come on. One of you guys. That's a harvester. That's an upgrader. Okay, whatever. I will just leave them as they are. That's fine. Yeah. Cool. So I guess the next step was improving our building capacity. And right. So yeah, okay. So I mean, I can kind of do it manually, build the sources, but it's kind of not great. I'm thinking, so how many of these can there be again? What was it called? Okay, tutorial scripts, section 5, raw build upgrader. File consist. Well, I mean, I can have some sort of like a basic template. Structure extension, right. Structure extension. So placing down the extensions. Extensions. Let's have a look at this. Modules, typical game loop. Structure extension. Oh, they can be anywhere in the room. Oh, okay. Okay, so I have 60 extensions total. Structure. Okay. Creep. So what do you have for methods? There's an attack controller build at a construction site, claim controller, dismantle, drop, generate safe mode, get active, harvest, heal, move. Pick up pool. Preserve controller, say, sign what? It's a funny method. Sign controller. Upgrade control, withdraw. Okay, so room.create construction site. Okay. Okay. Now the question is, what would be the logic for creating this? I suspect they block paths, right? Like it's not just like I can, if I just keep putting down stuff, it will actually get into the way. Okay. So I guess somewhere here. After I do my upgrades, try to build. Wait a second. Do extensions decay? Okay. So, yeah, so there really isn't too much motivation for basically not building them manually. I mean, not building construction sites for them manually. Because realistically, yeah. Okay, anyway, I will need a builder for sure. So let's do a builder first. And yeah, I guess I can modify the harvester. I can modify the harvester so it actually does the extended logic for the targets. Okay. So let's put this into common logic. So export function, let's call it deposit, energy deposit logic. So creep room find structures. I expect that it should be my structures, yes. Find my structures. Structure type, structure extension, spawn tower, get free capacity, creep, transfer, move to okay. And right, this is energy deposit logic, harvesters, upgraders. Yeah, that's actually yeah. That's another bad idea, honestly, having universal workers. I kind of like that as well. But let's not overdo it right now. Okay, so we have this stuff. I need a new builder. This I think will be very similar to the upgrade if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's basically the same working stuff and right. Okay, let's just copy this, copy this. So I don't have building, I have working flag, which is fine. If creep working and resource energy is 0, right. Get free capacity. Right, so this is common.harvest logic. And actually, yeah, I think I really like the idea of having these like atomic operations, which is like energy deposit logic, harvest logic, and so on, and then just build up the creeps out of that. Yeah, we'll see how well that works over time. if I find construction sites, again, should be my construction sites. Targets length, creep build targets are not in range, just move to it, and yep. Build a cheek creep. Now, I need to define a builder. So builder, I think, was different, right? Creep, where's creep? So there's move, work. Oh no, so work is also building. So it's still the same. Okay, sure. Make me one builder. And case builder dot need to import things. So over here, builder dot run on the creep break. Okay, that should all look fine. So now it should basically generate me one builder, and I think that's happening. Yep. And yeah, let's just build like couple of extensions just out here, and I guess, oops, I can only have 5 of them right now. Sure. Yeah, so that's actually the reason why I decided to just place them down manually, because yeah, it's yeah. I don't kind of want to block myself up in the spawn. Okay, I need to change my stream stuff because it keeps flagging creep as profanity, which is very silly. Permitted terms, creep. Yes, creep is a permitted term. Okay, so I think this is going to build stuff. Cool. Okay, yeah. Lots of things to think about just from reading your chat, guys. Right, so what the heck should I do next? I kind of feel that like having a builder that has a bigger capacity might be better, but for that I actually need to wait. Wait a second, why is this guy not doing anything? Oh, because it didn't have any place to actually mine. Okay. I feel like I have way too many of these guys. Let's kill. Where's the upgrader? That's not a upgrader. Memory. Let's reload the memory. Creeps. Okay, so the 761 is actually a harvester. Okay, so this one, yep, please die. Okay, it's a harvester. That's a harvester. That's an upgrader. That's actually upgrading. Okay, I think this one is the other one that's broken. It's 85. Yeah, that one is actually a harvester. Okay. Let's just get rid of this one. And yeah, this should work a bit better now. And yeah, let's... I feel that actually having... do I want two builders? Damn it. I feel like having two builders for now would be nice. And then we will need to change it a bit. Yeah, I guess with these, because all of these are kind of the same. They have the same setup. I should really just like maintain like a static population of them. Yeah, sure, okay. But like for this kind of situation, it definitely makes sense to have a static population of workers and then just assign them roles on top of that. Yeah. Okay, very cool. So let's see if my second builder is up. Let's reload this thing. No, did I push it? I don't. Okay, I'm actually not sure if I actually pushed it. Let's see. Oh no, I should have five of them. Yeah, I have 2 builders. I'm just blind. Okay. So what is this one? It's a harvester. Okay, sure. And these 2. So this is an upgrader. This is a builder. This is a builder, right? Yes. Yeah. Oh. So wait, can creeps themselves repair stuff? Creeps, where the heck is it? Creep. You need work bit. Okay. Repair. Ah, yes, okay. Requires the work and carry body parts. Okay. So I feel like for now if I extend my creep store resource and energy is 0. Build logic. Oh. So I kind of feel like extending my builders, basically, so if... Yeah. And yeah, let's make this return a boolean. Boolean? No, boolean, yes. Return false. And if you are not building, then please command.repair. And I need to put this here. Careful, I see. If build return, okay. Right. Ah, yes. Yes. It should be like this. So export function repair logic creep. So this one where Okay, why is this var? This should actually be const. Const targets creep room find. But I need the... I already had it, the filter logic somewhere. I remember. Where the heck was that? Yes, this thing. Yeah. Const targets will be a filter on top of creep room. Is there like creep room dot? Or I guess I need to do it. Oh no, there's a filter options. Okay. So maybe I don't need to do it this way. Find my structures, and the filter options is what exactly? Go to definition, filter options, go to definition, filter function. Right, okay. So it can just be a lambda over here. So this is then, what's the type? Construction site. Okay. Oh no, damn it, not construction site. Roads are not owned. Oh, okay. Good to know. Structure. Probably. No. Okay, let's just finish writing this. Return true. Okay. What are you complaining about now? Structure is declared but it's never used. Oops. It's never used. Is that it? No. Argument of type structure boolean is not assignable. Filter options. Structure constant. Ah, okay. Structure constant. Structure constant. Is that it? Ah, okay. Filter. Oh, wait, what? Like completely repeat in an object like this? Ah, okay. Okay. And then if structure dot hits is less than structure dot hits max, I guess. Yeah, just return that. So anything that needs repairing, and I guess actually slightly differently. So, oops. Minus hits is more than now the question is what? Repair margin, let's call it like that, and let's put it into globals. Export const repair margin. How much hit points does a road have? Where will I find that? Constants. No, probably not that. Screeps wrote. Okay, this doesn't really show up. Construction site. Structure. For all structures, structure road. Hits 5,000. Decay every 1,000 things on. Okay, sure. Let's say that the margin is like, I don't know, 500. Yeah. So this will be globals dot repair margin. Import star as globals from dot globals. Okay. Yeah, that probably makes sense. Yeah, okay. Let's just put this as a note here. Sense to have percentage based repair margin. So anyway, we have the targets, and then I basically need this logic over here. Creep dot repair target 0, move to yep, that should be good enough. So builders, if you cannot build, go repair. Okay. Yep. So let's push this version. Okay, wrong window, this window, right. Okay. So right now, not much will be happening because this is still getting built very slowly. Ah, yes. Oh yeah, that makes totally, yeah, makes sense. Yeah. I'm sure I will get there at some point as well. I mean, I guess there also should be, you know, logic basically between building and repairing, because sometimes repair might be more critical than building something new. So yes. Bunch of things to explore. This is taking forever to build. And the problem is, like, I cannot really fit more workers. Yeah, that's actually probably... Yeah, because the builders are also harvesting. That's actually one thing I really don't like, honestly. Kind of feel like I should have the harvesters just put stuff in containers and then have the builders go from there. But let's just flip it for now. So let's have one harvester, one upgrader, one and 3 builders, because that's kind of what can fit at the sources right now. Cannot really fit more of them, unfortunately. And oh wait, you can also drop energy on the ground. Oh, okay. So this is building one more, and I need to kill one of the harvesters. So this is the 4-4, sure. Yeah, you die. That's cool. Yeah, extensions are on the way. Yeah. Okay, so let me look up the documentation. So creep, creep drop. Huh. Be at adjacent square to the creep or the same square. Okay. Find dropped resources. Oh, okay. Oh, really? Oh, these are crazy hints. Like, what the heck? How would I ever find this stuff? Oh, what? Wait. So the creep can stand on top of a container. Wow, okay. That is very cool. Right, so I might kind of change this stuff then. So in that case, okay, let me change all the upgraders. Yeah, okay, so let's just change stuff around. So my harvesters will just have no carry. So instead of harvest logic here, what I want to have is some sort of pickup logic. Okay, so export function pickup resources logic. It's not, is it called logic? Yes, it's called logic. Sure. Creep. Okay. Find dropped resources. If target, creep pickup target, not in range, move to, okay. And yeah, let's visualize this. And I should probably play with the colors, honestly. So okay, so harvest logic, so this should actually be this, because harvest logic is specific color. Okay. Let me catch up with the chat. As I see, container and mine, no energy will get wasted. Oh, okay, cool. So, upgraders, instead of harvesting, just go pick up resources. Builders, instead of harvesting, just go pick up resources. Harvesters, you will not be depositing any resources anymore, you will just be harvesting. And you will be harvesting even if you don't have any capacity. So now over here, so in the respawn, harvesters will not have carry. So wait a second, since they will basically just move to a resource and they just sit there forever, can I, where's the creep description? Right here. Okay, so work is 100, move is a 50. Right, so within 300 I'm still kind of limited, so only two works. So work, move is a harvester, and I think in the current layout I can fit, was it, okay, let's do it slowly. So let's say I want 3 harvesters, and these will just sit on the resources. So let's just quickly double check if I didn't screw up anything. So the upgrader, I should just move this into here so it kind of keeps being the same style, all of the code. Export function, upgrade controller, logic, creep run controller, upgrade controller. Yep, that's all cool. So come on, upgrade controller logic creep. So okay, so either you upgrade the controller or you pick up resources from the ground. Harvester, just harvest forever. Builder, build. If you cannot build, repair, and otherwise pick up resources. Okay. Okay, yes. I will definitely have a look around once I kind of build up at least something reasonable. So yes, so this should, let's just push this, and I will need to kill the initial harvester, because that one, actually I will need to kill my entire population, because now all of them are basically wrong. But that's fine, let's just take it step by step. Okay, so this one can die. This one, builder, sure, you can die. So this is the harvester that will just keep doing stuff. Yeah, so this one should just keep dropping stuff on the ground. Oh wait, actually I didn't have to kill... Yeah, that was unnecessary because I just changed their logic. I don't have to respawn them. That was stupid. Anyway, a bit of a resource waste, but should be fine. Oh crap, but I need... yeah, okay. Small problem. I need one creep that will go around and refill my source. Yes, okay. Okay, so let's modify the logic of the upgrader. So please yeah, let's go back. Yeah, deposit energy deposit logic. So upgrader, please deposit energy, and if that's not possible, then go upgrade the controller. Okay. So harvester versus harvest. Then upgrade control. Did I... yeah, so this needs to now return boolean. Okay, so if I don't... okay, so this is return true and this is return false. That should... okay. Okay, wow. I almost screwed myself. Okay, once this fills up enough for another harvester, it should start building... it's building a builder. Okay. That's a bit weird. I have 2 harvesters now. Okay, interesting. Yes. Okay, these messages are stupid anyway. Just get rid of them. Because I never like upgraded what they actually are, but now these things keep doing like double duty. Like the builders are also repairing, the upgraders are also filling in the buildings. Yeah. Yeah, I think I suspect I will reintroduce some of these things at some point. Okay, so everyone is just waiting for a pickup now. Okay, sure. So what are you building now? Builder. Wait a second. How many builders do I need? Free builder. What? I shouldn't have free builders. No, I do have free builders. What the heck? Hmm. That's definitely good to know. Yeah. Okay. Well, I need to recover from this situation. Is it possible? Yeah, probably not. I was wondering if I can like suspend the creep for a bit. Because these builders are now a bit too aggressive, stealing all the resources. Oh wait, so this is... Oh, is the source also like generating one energy per tick? Or something like that? So basically, even if you screw yourself, like you will basically after 300 ticks, you will get enough. Okay, cool. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Oh, very cool. Okay, so now it should be doing a harvester. Finally, okay. Yeah, good that these things exist, for sure. Okay, so we have a dedicated second harvester, which is good. And he got... No, he didn't get blocked. Okay, I was getting worried. I mean, it makes sense. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this guy is stuck. Or maybe he's just waiting for resources? I'm not sure. By the way, what are the mineral deposits for? Hmm. Oh, what the heck? There's a market. What the heck? Uh, wow, okay. Oh, so you can then get CPUs out of the traded things. Oh. What the heck? This is some crazy stuff. Okay, I wasn't really expecting there to be like so much craziness. Power creeps. What the heck is a power creep? What? Oh my god, okay. Okay, I think I have a lot of reading to do, for sure. Oh jeez. So okay, let's see. So we have one harvester here, second harvester here, third harvester here. Okay, cool. The situation is stabilizing, so I think we can bump the harvesters now to 4. Let's just start with this. Let's just bump the number of harvesters to 4, and then I will bump the number of upgraders to 2, I think, and builders to 4 maybe. We'll see. Yeah, so I'm building the 4th harvester that will sit up here. Yeah, I'm kind of destroying this energy source. How does the regeneration actually work? Does it get like a specific amount of resources back, or? Ah, so it goes max to max capacity. Oh, okay. Ah, so each 300 what? Ah, each 300 ticks it will. Oh, okay. So basically, I want to have it set up in a way where. Okay, I definitely didn't want you to go here. Damn it. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, so basically I want to have it set up in such a way that it basically gets exhausted in the 300 ticks. Yeah, so I want to be consuming 10 per tick, right? Yes. It looks like I'm consuming slightly more than that. Which is... wait, how much does a... You need 5 or... Oh, I have 6 of them. No, I have 8 of them. Ah, okay. Yeah, because this one's... I should... Yeah, okay. Now I'm running into the issue that this guy will prefers the closest resource. But I guess that's fine. It's a little bit of a waste, but okay, I can live with that. Sure, let's bump the harvesters to 5. Let's bump the upgraders to 2 and builders to 4. So this way, yeah, the building should be really happening. The upgrading should also be happening quite fast. Yeah. Okay. I'm pretty happy with the basic setup right now. So okay, what do we have outside? So over here there's one energy source over here, there's an upgrader over here. It's a pretty awkward setup, but the good thing is it's only pass through from here. That's good. Then down here we have a bunch of swamps. Yeah, it's pretty nice that it is this kind of like snake style map. It's like this thing only connects to this thing, which connects to this thing. Then well, unless I count, so what's this map? Is this like a fog of war? Like, why is this map so weird? Okay. But yes, like, I mean, from here I can go only up and to the west, which is good. And this is just walled off. Yeah, okay, I mean, like, definitely thanks for this tip on the starting location. I really like it. Like, I like that it kind of snakes across multiple rooms with, like, basically one entry, one exit. That's pretty neat. And then here it actually opens up. Okay, so what's down here? Oh, okay, so here there's actually someone doing stuff. Okay. Cool. Right, but so okay, so novice area just means that it's walled off, right? It doesn't mean that... Oh, safe mode is active. So safe mode is active for the 14 days? Or how exactly does that work? Ah, right. But if I didn't have safe mode, can someone else So if I turn off safe mode, let's say right now, can other players in the novice area attack me, or will that still not work? Right, okay, okay. So it's just like, okay, now makes sense. So it just basically guards people in the novice area from other people. Spawn. Safe mode. Ah yeah, oh it's ticking down. Yeah, I don't know how much time that actually translates to. Okay, cool. Now this stuff's starting to make sense. Very good. Damn it, why does this... The auto mode is still picking up on creep being an offensive word, which is weird. I don't know how to turn that off. I thought I already whitelisted it, but apparently not. Well, okay. Yeah, so this one will kind of get overmined, which is fine. Not a big deal. But yeah, I think things are working. So I have how many builders now? I have 4 builders and 2 upgraders that also carry stuff. Sure. So yeah, this stuff will get built over time. And yep, I think this is like a reasonable state for me to wrap up for today, I think. It's a good start. I will definitely have a read of the documentation, because there's definitely stuff that I wasn't aware of at all. Like there's a lot of, like the trading and that stuff, like I had no idea. And I will start thinking about expanding, because why the heck not? How much does content sponsor extension? Better switch from API pages to main. What do you mean? No controller. Button in docs. Ah, okay. Okay, so I guess I have one more question. Where do I find... So do they describe how I actually capture a different room? So there's like a room controller here. Do I just gain control over the controller and then I can build another spawn here? Or how does it work? Like to gain the control, I will just send my creeps here, I suspect, right? With claim parts. Oh. Ah, okay. Let's just claim. Claims that needs 600. Okay. Claims a neutral room controller. Reserves a neutral room controller for 1 tick per body. What? Reserves a neutral room controller for 1 tick per body part. Attacks a hostile room control targeting its timer. Okay, this doesn't really apply. Attacks a neutral room control preservation timer. With the creeps. What the heck? Oh, so this only lasts for 600 ticks if it has the claim. Okay. GCL2. What is GCL2? Global control level. Okay. Oh my god, this auto mode is just hilarious sometimes. Okay. I think I will just disable the profanity filter because it's really tripping over the technical terms. Although this was a typo, so kind of makes sense. Yeah, no, I'm sorry for the setup. Like I just turned it on and it's really horrible right now. I need to figure out how to tweak it better. But yeah, I think just turning on the follower only chat helped a lot. Because there's a lot of like bots that just join channels and spam stuff. But yes, okay. So Screeps.com control the HTML. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I will join the Slack. I mean, you mean this section? Yes, I know about this section. Yes. Okay. Attacking controllers, raising, upgrading GC requires pumping energy into your controllers. Okay. Right, so it's just purely based on how much energy I have pumped into my controllers. Okay, sure. Okay. And I guess okay. Okay, but this is a bit weird. Okay, let me show you this. So this is telling me manage power creeps. You have no power creeps yet. You need one free power level in your account to activate new power creep. What the heck does that even mean? Yeah, so I think this thing is not even upgrading right now. Create creep. Thanks for the follow. Okay, but right, but then this doesn't seem to be rising right now. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong things. Wait, why is oh, so there's GC on GPL. Ah, okay. There's a global control level and a global power level. Ah, okay. Yes. Okay, sorry, I just got confused. Okay, so I need a million, and right now I have 855. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Cool. Well, I think I will wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for joining. You were extremely helpful. Like, I don't know what I would have done without all the answers in the chat. Like, this was great. And hopefully see you again at some point. So the thing is, I usually stream over the weekend. My coding streams. So I will definitely stream this. Yeah, I will join this, like, for sure. I will definitely stream. I think I will just dedicate my Sundays to this for sure. And then stream from time to time again. We will see. But oh, amazing. Cool stuff. So yeah, I will join it. So thanks again, and hopefully see some of you again at some point. Bye for now, and have a nice remainder of the weekend.